ohmathgad.
Oh my god, guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be studying and solving problems involving the law of cosines. In today's video, we're going to be tackling a problem in which they give us a situation of a triangle and they already give us two sides and one angle. But in this case, we're going to be using the law of cosines. So let's take a look. Okay, guys, so we're going to be solving this problem to the right. Again, they gave us the value of one of the sides, side 2. They gave us the value of one of the angles and one of the sides. So they gave us side, angle, side. So side, angle, side, the SAS of it all. So people usually refer to this as the SAS case, right? Whenever we are in front of an SAS, we can use the law of cosines in order to find the rest of the missing values. So we are going to find the values of two angles and one side. In order to apply the law of cosines, we have to remember what it basically says. So c to the power of 2 is going to be equal to a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2, right? C being one side and a and b the adjacent or the other sides, minus the multiplication of 2 times the product of AB times the cosine of C, where C is the opposite angle to the side C. And in this case, B is the opposite angle to side B, and A is the opposite angle to side A. Okay, very, very important. So again, in this case, we have this value of this angle. So the one that is opposed to the angle of 60 degrees is going to be C. And we have the other two sides. So again, we know that C to the power of 2, right, is going to be equal to the other two sides to the power of 2 minus 2 times the multiplication or the product of those two sides times the cosine of the opposite side to C. So the opposite side to C is 60. The opposite angle to C is going to be 60. And now we are just going to solve for that value. So C is going to be, C squared, sorry, is going to be 4 plus 9, right? Minus 2 times 3, which is going to be minus 12, times the cosine of 60, right? So C squared is going to be equal to 4 plus 9 minus 12 times the cosine of 60. And that is going to be a value of 7. So C is going to be the square root of 7. People usually forget that we have to find the square root because we have a power of 2 here. So that is basically going to tell us that the value of C is around 2.65. Now we know that the value of C is 2.65. Now we have to find the other two, which is going to be very easy. We are going to find, for example, beta. So we know that the opposite side to the angle beta is going to be 3. So that means that 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2, again, the sides, plus, and now we have found the value of C, 2.65 to the power of 2, right? Times, minus 2 times 265 times the cosine of the angle opposite to 3, which in this case is beta, right? And we're gonna solve. So this is 9 equals 4 plus, right, 7 minus 2 times 2 times 2.65, which is going to be 10.6 cosine of beta. And we're gonna solve for beta. So again, this 4 and that 7 are, I'm gonna move them to the left side by subtracting. So 9 minus 4 minus 7 is going to be minus 2 equals minus 10.6 cosine of beta. Because that 10.6 is multiplying, it's gonna pass dividing the 2, and that is going to give me a value of 1.1887 equals the cosine of beta. So if I want the value of beta, I have to move that cosine. So cosine inverse of 0.1887, and that is going to give us a value for beta of 79,12 degrees. Okay, so again, we know the value of beta as 79,12 degrees. And we're missing just one value, which is the value of alpha. But because of the triangle angle sum theorem, that's going to be something very easy to do. Since now we know that alpha plus beta plus 60 is equal to 180, we know that alpha is going to be equal to 180 minus the value of beta that we found, or 79,12 degrees, minus the initial value of 60 degrees. And that is going to be very easy to do. And the value of alpha is going to be equal to 40,88 degrees. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So again, we found the value of the side, and then we use it to use the law of the cosines in order to find the rest of the values in the triangle. So feel free to replay the video, guys. And if you're done, then let's see each other tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!